Are you tired of the endless videos promising you can make a fortune online with just a few clicks? Let's be realistic for a moment. Most of those guides push you towards complicated business models that require a hefty investment, or they promote online tasks that pay far less than a standard minimum wage. They sell a dream of becoming a famous influencer or a six-figure entrepreneur overnight. But what if you are not looking for fame or a complex side business? What if you simply want a legitimate remote job you can perform during the quiet hours of the night to supplement your income? That is precisely what we will cover today. We will explore 12 straightforward, if somewhat unexciting, remote jobs that are completely real. Some offer around $15 an hour, while others can go up to $50, and none of them require a college degree or previous experience. Before we reveal the first one, take a moment to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on practical advice. First on our list is a platform that redefines the idea of paid surveys. The name is Prolific. Now, you should be skeptical of most survey websites, as many of them are designed to waste your time for mere cents. Prolific is the exception to that rule. It is a highly respected platform used for serious academic and scientific research by top universities like Oxford and Stanford, and even major tech companies. Because the quality of their research is paramount, they ensure fair compensation for participants. You can expect an average pay of around $15 per hour, with a set minimum wage, so you are never underpaid. A major advantage is that you are paid in real cash directly to a PayPal account, not in restrictive gift cards. This is a flexible way to earn a few hundred extra dollars each month in your spare time, simply by contributing to meaningful studies. The work is steady, with new opportunities appearing constantly that are already matched to your profile. Our next opportunity allows you to monetize your existing knowledge, and it is remarkably accessible. The platform is called StudyPool. Did you know you could get paid for answering homework questions at night? On this website, you can sign up to become a tutor and earn money by providing answers to students from all over the world. The payment structure is simple. You get paid for each question you successfully answer. These payments can range from $3 for a relatively simple query to over $40 for more complex assignments. What is particularly appealing is the vast range of subjects. You do not need to be a math or science whiz. You can provide help in hundreds of different areas, including history, literature, and even foreign languages. This isn't about long-term tutoring commitments. It's on-demand help. While the top earners on the site have achieved impressive incomes, it serves as an excellent and flexible way to generate a meaningful side income. Let's now shift to a category of work that requires no specialized knowledge, but values reliability and clear communication. I'm talking about remote customer and administrative assistance. If you prefer a role with clear instructions and a steady workflow you can do at night, this is for you. Companies are constantly hiring individuals for remote support roles where you act as the first point of contact. Your job might involve answering customer inquiries through phone calls, emails, or live chat. Other similar roles might have you performing tasks as a virtual assistant, such as scheduling appointments, organizing files, or doing basic online research for busy clients. The key qualifications are not a degree or a long resume, but rather a quiet room to work from, a decent headset, and the ability to remain patient and helpful. While this work can be repetitive, it offers a very stable and predictable way to earn, often paying between $10 and $20 per hour, and it provides a solid entry point into the remote job market. Finally, let's touch upon a category of work that is perfect for those who are detail-oriented: user feedback and content creation. You can get paid for your opinion by testing websites and apps. Companies will pay you to go through their digital products and simply give your honest feedback on what works and what doesn't. Another rapidly growing field is contributing to the development of artificial intelligence. This involves completing small tasks or micro-tasks, such as labeling images or verifying data to help AI systems learn. You can also find platforms that pay for writing articles or even narrating audiobooks. While some of these areas are becoming more competitive, they show the sheer diversity of remote work available. The key takeaway is that you do not need to invest in a risky business venture to earn online. There are many legitimate, flexible jobs that value your time and skills. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so you do not miss our next guide.